welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about her
Number
business,
210.
but she's
That's
saying
my
she has a lot
complexion.
of stuff left
Woke
that
up like
she's
this.
able to sell, like sheets,
210. But
bedding
you
bag,
can't know if I 210
comforters,
you wear
bathroom stuff.
because
And she's
say
also seen that she likes
everybody you have
to,
to take a test.
decorate and one day would like to
Answer the
decorate
question.
people's houses for them.
So
Also, she's talking
me not
about
even want to talk about it
the
until
fact
me get
that
it
she's
because
saying
me have the
that
black
she
people
was
sitting for
supposed to get
advertise.
married maybe
Me
2 years
want make sure
ago,
say if me gonna
and
talk about it
that
and
was
whatever them I
supposed to be
mean
kept
when
at
me
the
send in
same
the
place that
information I go
her
give when they
father
requested
was
in a
kept.
me email and then I
She's
do
saying
something.
that the only reason why this didn't happen is
I
because
mean
the
I get paid
person
with a
was
big
not
channel like
really
this.
honest with
I remember
her.
say them about people.
And there
What
were
if a
some
big model
other
or Cynthia
traits
from
that
house
this
Atlanta
person
housewife
had that she
talk for
was
them. I
not
know when people have money,
satisfied
want make
with.
money too.
She's saying also that
You think you should wear same color?
the guy, he
Remember I
was a
know.
nice person.
My chest is
Um,
brown and
Apart
my
from
face is
him being
darker.
not being
So
honest,
I
has
match it
to
up.
take his phone calls
So a
outside of the
210.
house.
A 210 on their bottle.
Apart from that,
But
he
I'm
was a
telling
nice
you,
person. He was a police
it make
officer,
up good.
and he was
It
respectful
dries so
to her.
fast.
But
You know,
it
you put on some
didn't
makeup on your
work.
face
She
and it just
said
clumpy. This I wanna
they had bought the
it
dress
just
and
finish like a matte
everything,
finish.
and around 200 people were
It
supposed
just
to
dry
attend.
quick.
So, guys, go ahead and
No,
catch the
normally when
video
you
and
put
see
on
what
certain
Marcia has
makeup,
to say about
you can
her
see it before you even put
business
on the powder
and
pan it.
her
This one just go in your
wedding
skin and
that
it
was
just
supposed
set
to
in your
happen
skin
before.
immediately. No, for
And guys,
real.
remember to like, share, comment,
No,
and subscribe to the
me not
channel.
lie.
And as
Me
always,
not
have
talk about someone
yourselves
because
a
me tell me
wonderful
how I like
day.
something passionate. So, is there anybody who interested? I may have nice different quilts we make out of different materials. Nice. I don't have any complaint with my sheets that I sell. Yes, that is my dream to design people's house. I've called out many times on social media. Yes, that is the reason why I'm in this work, because I love to design people's house. Make stuff for them. Flowers, vase, and beautiful flowers, vase. Dress them up. I design people's house every day, coming back, me sell things. Yes, so I love that. To go and design people's place. I love that. Yes. So, me sell bed in a bag. 10 pieces and all them sort of something there. So if you are interested in bed in a bag, me sell that too. So if you would like to order something, I am going shopping. I am going shopping tomorrow to pick up merchandise. Because I want to get some stuff and get it out. So, if you don't like, don't listen to the naysayers. I'm in this business for 3 years ahead. From 2020, and God has been good to me. No matter how the devil try, and can't stop me. What is for you is for you. UCLA that 27 and Utah that 33. And they're in the second quarter for the basketball people them. Yes. UCLA that 27 and then in the second quarter, they have 17 minutes left remaining. In the second quarter, there's a basketball are going and Utah 35. For the people them who are interested. Because you know when it comes to broadcasting in the background, Facebook kind of look funny. Them they we all I tell her said your copyright when you play the basketball. Even remember one time I get blocked couple times back in the days with the Olympic. When the Olympic are going, you can't share it. Do you want to get married again? Mirror ask me ready right now. Will you take Marcia to be your lawful wedding wife, to have and to hold, for rich of a poor and sickness and health, to death do us part? Me ready like a Freddy. Me ready like a Freddy. Oh, you mean me get married? Yes, of course. And this a time, yeah? Only 3 witness. Me I go far. Make sure say somebody a paper. Me not married nobody without paper. Anybody me married to? Or Europe, me I go married. Me I go Paris, go married in grass. Get one little preacher, one little man, and go right to Paris. Yes, me ready right now. Me ready. Me have all the man ring already. See me have a ring from finger, yeah? See there? Yes. Full of diamond. Me ready like a Freddy. Yes, me dear. See there? I was supposed to get married a couple years ago. Maybe like 5-6 years ago. But we didn't better get married again. You understand? Somebody introduced me to a person from Jamaica. We were supposed to get married and come up and spend a little time to get to know each other. But it never worked. It turned out to be a little liar. I used to want to look for use. And you can't use me. You understand? I want to make a ramp with me. So after coming up, spending some times, and we all take out married license and everything. But you know what? You see, two means a visionary. I mean, a little woman where know where face they make and I know things. It wasn't right. He was lying. Him have a woman said we are yard. A green card in a look. And when me start telling him, and then he was talking about how he would file for him children. Then me say, oh, not a children me not file for. Any young picking him at turn right there with the mama when he only can come from vacation. He never like it. And me say any man me married when I use them, I use the paper. Me ask God to curse them. Him never like that. When I make the statement. So one day I was at work. I do my living job and come home on the weekend. And then he come on the weekend and you know, me have one taxi guy. At the time I wasn't driving. So I told the taxi guy for carrying out the mall, carrying whatever it is. Yeah, so one day I went to Walgreen. So we're supposed to get married. We buy all the dress, everything, you know. We buy all the dress, book the place, the same place I keep it, the same place I keep the gala. We supposed to, my brother them come from England, my cousin them. We were supposed to have like 200 people at the wedding. Everything was booked. But it wasn't right. So if we're not married to man and I see some discrepancy, I want to see my act. Because every time if you talk on the phone, you go outside. That's one thing I mark it because you can't ramp with me, because I'm a veteran of this business, you know. Yes, every time I go to road and go to do a talk. If you, where you go to do a talk for? For a long time. But me always I get vision. Me I go in yard and see him, you know. Lie down on the bed in the room and I describe it, you know. You know my vision, you know. And I ask him. I see one woman, one sister come to him and said to him, said, what make you tell Marcia, said, yeah, I want a woman. And him dip on the bed, sit down. I dream, a vision, me see, you know, go straight in the yard, this part you come from. I think I can ramp with me. Me have a very strong spirit. So it wasn't, me never really like him. He too maga. Tell you the truth, me never like him. Nice guy. But it wouldn't work out. Because it wouldn't work out. Because before he even come to, he was too young. I was like maybe 3-4 years older than him. And he was too maga. But it's just that I test him in a lot of things. And he wasn't like, me and woman love to test people. Like me go up on the road and me and him buy something and he heat off, he not offer me none. And me and you walk. You're supposed to offer me, you're supposed to say if you get one, like we go up on the road and we go in the store and buy some fruits. You name off your fruits quick in a no time. And you don't ask me. Eh? Go on wish list. Hey, lovely. I may go on the list. What kind of list? You're supposed to ask me. Me and you walk and I go someplace. And me if you same time. Oh, if you want them have all the fruits, and ask me if you want some. I test people like that, you know. I test people like that. Me never like him sleeping pattern. He sleep too bad. And me don't like selfish man. Me test people like that. You see, last night I was on time. Him never have the fruits. Me and you walk and come and me buy. We go in on the place and buy the fruits. And you eat up. You have a fork. And you never even said, here is a piece of the fruits. Me not like. No, me test people like that. You know those are things. And they sleep too bad. You know the people that sleep on them foot off of the east and the west. No, me not like them sleep over there. Well, let me tell my story first, please. So that was one of the things. So I came home and we go up a Walgreen one day. And I left the lady drop her car key in my plastic bag. You know, she must have the key under the counter. And she take out the plastic bag and I go to go buy something. And she accidentally take the car key. So I reach home, I see one car key, one BMW car key in my plastic bag with a big puffy roses spanny. So I know see how I call Walgreen and she goes, oh my gosh, that's my car key. So me send him back up there. If you go give it back to the girl. So while I was there, when I came up from work, you know, he was supposed to come, but me see him back pack up. Me see him back pack. You know, you probably listen to me. Because I know you watch me. And so those are some of the things too. So when I zip the bag and looking at the bag, me say bag pack and go mall and buy whole heap of things. And him say him never have the money. Like that. So if you never have the money, then how you buy up so much things? Perfume, Paris Hilton perfume and receipt, how much money him spend. Me say, hey, me just take a screenshot of the phone and me call my friend them and my friend them say, Marcia, throw him out. And somebody might look for use. Me say, no man, me I treat him good said way. Because me I treat him good said way. When he reach home, me just whatever. So those were some of the things. It wasn't him as some a paper him not look. Yes, my dear. So me screenshot when you reach Jamaica, me carry him go to the airport. Me carry him go to the airport, me drop him off at the airport. And we give him a hug. And we reach the airport and him call me tell me say reach home safe. Me just give it to him. And block him. And that was it. That was it. I just give it to him and block him. You know, Marcia mouth wasn't nice. And that was it. We never spoke again. That's it. Me not better, but if it's something not right, it's just not right. That's all. And that is it. You can't play. If something not right, it just ain't right. That's all. And that was it. That was it. We had everything. So the thing about it, him did still have a woman said we at Jamaica. I mean, still have a woman said we. You understand? But he was a nice guy. And he never traced me. He never disrespect me. He was a police too. So you know that already. He never disrespect me. He was a very nice, intelligent guy, speak proper English. You wouldn't even know say he live in Jamaica. The way him speak. I don't have nothing bad to say about him, but he was lying. I guess he was kind of So while he was there, my friend said, kick him out, Marcia. I said, me not kick him out. Me I treat him good just like when friend come. I just go on said way. Cause I wasn't in love with him. You understand? I wasn't in love with him, so it was easy for me to not to go any further. Cause I could have gone further and like whatever. But I wasn't in love with him. It wasn't my type. It was like, it was a forceful. He was the one who's always calling and whatever. And I'm Marcia. I don't run no man. Man run me down. So, it don't make no sense. So if it was easy for me to let him to like whatever, go on. Cause I'm Marcia this. I not ask you. Why? I had other potentials, people, when we can talk to. I wasn't in love with him. Because I even tell you, it's a family acquaintance's husband, best friend. And the whole we were getting along. Those same people came and betrayed me. We come from the same district. We come from the same district. And them come on social media talk all kind of things about my family. And because of Facebook, highlights and stuff. I hope you're not happy. Because me see me still sitting right here so same way. I'm not coming and tell blogging page about treat and ice cream and this and all kind of thing and all kind of story. See, I'm still here, bigger than ever. No flap, no there. Me still there like a roaring lion, like a lion of Judah, shall break every chain and give me the victory. No matter what, who no say out there, can't break me. Me's a star. I was born to be a star. Nobody not sure, not nobody fling stone pan green mango. You have to be ripe. So if me wasn't important, you know, wouldn't fight against me like that. So I'm very, very important. You understand? You know, see how me look all these years. From I've been on social media, me barely change. I have been consistent in my words, in my clothes, in my hair, in my beauty, just the way I take care of myself. Me never flop yet. All the mere fact that it no costs me, or me live in a ghetto, me in a rat, I'm in a roach house, I'm in a this and that. All the things I me now do, go sleep in a one garbage pan when I left Woodland Village. God put me in some of the finest establishment. You know what I mean right now? I'm in a suite, honey. In a suite. My bathroom, when bathroom bed in a 2.5 times big, like what I left. You understand? My shower can hold 4 people. And that me a bed in a evening time. And 2 queen size bed. Sofa over there, so. Center table, microwave stand. And I have my computer desk. Big from here so to there, so. With sliding glass. And different areas. Who else could it be? You can't flap me down there. The more you put me down, and the more you lift me up. Then show me a girl out there right now. Show me somebody out there right now. Show me one of no girl on social media out there right now. That leave a place, wanna cuss me and call me a kind of name. I'll not catch a family yard. I mean, I have 6 sisters and brothers. I'm a foreign. I mean, I want nice, fine establishment until me ready, until me get my right apartment. Do this and Ross beat me. Do this and beat me now. Do this and beat me. Eh? I God me a serve. Me not serve Satan. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me now. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. You can't beat God because God gave it to me. God. Only God alone can do it. God. A talk show. Love and relationship. Them talk show there. Anytime I host on the radio station, I like to go up on a radio station and talk about things them. Just be free. But my radio station now you have to hold back. You know, I would like to do a radio station and I would like to do a talk show. Yes, man, talk show. I would love that. Sit down and talk. Because you know, Marcia good point chatting already. Yeah, that is it. Do this and beat me. So that was the thing. Yes.